Installing OpenClaw on macOS, step-by-step guide. In this video, we'll learn how to properly install and configure OpenClaw on your Mac, ensuring you can fully utilize its development functionalities.
Did you know that OpenClaw is becoming an essential tool for developers on macOS? With its robust functionalities, it allows you to streamline your development tasks and boost your productivity significantly. In this video, you'll learn how to install OpenClaw on your Mac, ensuring you can take full advantage of its capabilities. Before diving into the installation, it's crucial to check if your system meets the necessary requirements for OpenClaw. First, ensure your Mac OS version is compatible. OpenClaw requires at least Mac OS Mojave or later. Next, verify that your hardware can handle the software's demands. This means having sufficient RAM and processing power. Don't forget to check your available disk space. OpenClaw needs at least 500 megabytes. If you need to update your system software, now is the time. Preparing your Mac for installation will save you headaches later on. To get started with OpenClaw, head over to the official OpenClaw website. Here, you'll find the download section. Make sure you select the correct version for Mac OS. Once you've identified the right version, click to download the installer file. It's important to verify the integrity of this file. This ensures it's free from corruption or tampering. Once verified, keep the installer file handy as we prepare to move to the next step, installation. The terminal is your friend when installing OpenClaw. Open the terminal app on your Mac, and navigate to the directory where the downloaded installer is located. You'll need to run the installer using command line commands. These commands are usually provided on the OpenClaw website. Enter the command and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The process should be straightforward, but ensure no errors occur. Once the installation completes successfully, you're ready for the next steps.
Setting up path variables is critical for OpenClaw to work seamlessly. In the terminal, access your bash profile by typing nano_bash_profile. Here, you'll add OpenClaw to your path variables. This line typically looks like export path equals /user/local/openclaw/bin::path. Save your changes and exit the editor. To ensure everything is set correctly, type $path and check if the OpenClaw path appears. Finally, restart the terminal to apply these changes, making OpenClaw accessible from any command line.
During installation, you might encounter some Mac OS-specific issues. Common problems include permission errors, which you can fix by adjusting your system security settings. If OpenClaw doesn't seem to run smoothly, consult the OpenClaw forums. It's a great resource for troubleshooting. Being proactive in resolving these issues ensures that OpenClaw functions correctly on your Mac. Remember, a smooth operation post-installation is key to a productive development environment. With installation complete, it's time to verify that everything works as expected. Open the terminal and enter some test commands, starting with OpenClaw version to check the installed version. Next, try running any basic OpenClaw commands you're familiar with. The key here is to ensure all functionalities are accessible and there are no unexpected outputs. If you encounter issues, revisit previous steps to troubleshoot and resolve them. Testing ensures you are set up correctly and ready to use OpenClaw efficiently.
To get the most out of OpenClaw, adjust the settings to suit your needs. Access the settings menu from within the application. Here, you can modify settings to enhance performance, such as increasing cache size or adjusting rendering options. Customize the interface to match your workflow and enable any advanced features that might benefit your projects. After making these changes, save them and test to ensure they're effective. A well-configured setup can significantly improve your development efficiency.
Backing up your OpenClaw configuration files is a wise step. It safeguards your settings against accidental loss or corruption. Identify the critical configuration files, usually located in the user directory under .openclaw. Use the terminal to copy these files to a secure backup location. Consider automating the backup process with scripts, ensuring you always have the latest configurations stored safely. Regular updates to your backups mean you can restore your setup quickly if needed, keeping your development environment stable and secure.
Congratulations! You've successfully installed OpenClaw on your Mac and configured it for optimal performance. We've tested and verified the installation, and backed up your configuration files. Now, I encourage you to explore OpenClaw's features to see how it can enhance your development workflow. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!